Ni wa iturwa itiganite ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa Shige atukwambiriria na maria marathie na mbere kuhanika kuria nyumba ya mishemanio ya Bomas guku mucii wa Nairobi kuria kamiti ya IEBC irathie na mbere na guthurima form cia 34A na 34B kwa ihinda riri leke tunyitanire na mundu gwitwo Kimani wa Ngujiri uria uri mwena ucio atumenyithie haria mihang'o ino ikinyite. Kimani angikorwo ni urajigwa? Haya, Kimani wa Ngujiri angikorwo ni urajigwa tumenyithie maria marathie na mbere kwiyumiria mwena ucio wa Bomas kana nyumba ya mushemanio ya Bomas haria mihang'o ya utari wa kura ukinyite kana uthurimi wa form 34B. Haya ni tugukorwo tukigeria kunyitanira na mundu gwitwo Kimani wa Ngujiri kahinda gatari kuraya ririkana kamiti ya IEBC no irathie na mbere guthurima form cia 34B kuma icigo itiganite na no muhaka ikorwo igithurima ciothe 29 kuongerera imwe iria ni ya diaspora. Koguo ni tugukorwo tukithie mwena ucio kahinda gatari kuraya tukorwo tukimenya uria maundu maikarite mwena ucio kwa ihinda riri. Reke tumurike ripoti ingi na ndiramenyithio tugukorwo tukihiuka mwena wa haya gikundi kia atongoria kuma nja wa bururi na aria manyabaraga githurano kinene ni matugiritie bururi wa Kenya ni gutabania githurano na njira ya waragania. Gikaro-ini na mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta thingira-ini wa iregi, atongoria aya maugite mabururi maria mangi gitaro-ini kia Africa ni mabatie mathome guthingatithia waragania kuma kuri bururi wa Kenya. Ni githurano kiria kiraguciririe maitho ma mabururi ma nanja, atongoria kuma mabururi maya magikinyia bururi-ini niguo kurumirira ikinya gwa ikinya mutabarire wa githurano giki. Uria wari president wa bururi wa Sierra Leone Ernest Bai Koroma agitongoria gikundi kia atongoria kuma mabururi mangi guka kurora githurano giki magitogeria bururi wa Kenya ni gutabania githurano na njira ya waragania. Marigi gikaro-ini na president Kenyatta thingira-ini wa iregi muthenya wa ira, atongoria aya ni maugite bururi wa Kenya ni ukuhuthika ta muhiano kuri mabururi maria mangi hari gukinyaniria democracy. Kamiti ya IEBC hetwo ginya tariki 16 ikorwo yaniriire muhotani wa giturwa kia president, atongoria aya makihoka bururi wa Kenya ni ukaiga thayo ona thutha wa maumirira gutangathwo. Handu-ini hake president Kenyatta ni atugiretie muingi ni kuiga thayo ihinda-ini riri, akiranira mitaratara ya kunengera wathani utongoria mweru ni yareirwo na njira iria yagiriire. Na ndiramenyithio kwa ihinda riri ni tugukorwo tugicoka mwena wa Bomas kana nyumba ya mishemanio ya Bomas kuria ni ceceni nene ya utari wa kura na kamiti ya IEBC no irathie na mbere guthurima form cia 34B kuma icigo bunge. Reke tunyitanire na Kimani wa Ngujiri atumenyithie haria mihang'o ino ikinyite. Kimani wa Ngujiri angikorwo ni urajigwa atumenyithie uria maundu maikaire mwena ucio wa Bomas. Ni turamenya ni gukoretwo na githagathago muthenya wa ira utuku, maundu maikairie atia mwena ucio?
Thengio muno Mumbi wa Shige, na toguo agikorwo gitariria ni ati twambite hema thiini wa ceceni nene ya utari wa kura guku mwena wa Bomas county-ini ya Nairobi, na turakirumanira na mihang'o ino na njira ya hakuhi niguo tugitigirire ati maria marakiyumiria ni turagithie na mbere na mwiroreri wa Kameme TV. Na reke ngorwo ngikumenyithia ati gukinyeria riu icigo cia ubunge iria cireketie gutarwo kana fomu cia kuma icigo-ini cia ubunge iria cireketie gutarwo ni 142 na nitaukiuga ati hari icigo cia ubunge iria cikoragwo guku bururi-ini citigarite icigo 148 nicio cigitigarite. No uririkane hakiri na kura cia kuma nja wa bururi wa Kenya iria nacio ciragitarwo tari gicigo kimwe kia ubunge, na uguo ciothe cionganirie cigagikorwo ciri 291 na koguo gukinyeria riu ni icigo 142 cireketie gutarwo na gutikire na maundu maingi makiheanitwo muthenya wa mothe kuma riria hihi gugikiire no na gutuika ni gukiheanitwo riboti ya muthia mathaa-ini ma kindu thaa 11 cia rucini gugiuka gukia na kuria icigo citanyihire 27 cikorirwo cikianirirwo maumirira na reke ngoro ngiririkanie mwiroreri wa Kameme TV ati maumirira maya marandirirwo thutha wa gukorwo maringithanitie fomu ya 34A na fomu ya 34B na fomu ya 34B irarehwo guku ni maabitha aria marakirugamiriire mihango ya ithurano thiini wa icigo citiganite cia ubunge aneo na ruthiomi rwa githungu maragitwo returning officers acio nio macirehete guku guo na muthenya wa ira ni muikariri gitu wa IEBC wa Fulache Bukati ni arakorirwo akigeria gwetha kihonia gia ni atia mihango eno ingitwarithio na ihenya hanini tondu ni kurakiri na kwigucia kuingi kuria kurokanaga kumana na gukirikana ati maagent amwe aciama ni marathurima fomu ici na njira ya kinyi muno na uguo rege hagakorwo ati rege hakire na uhoro ucio wigie gukorwo magithaya na kuhuthira mathaa maingi na ndiramenyithio ati kwa ihinda riri tukwamba guthie kuria mwena wa Karen niguo twambe tuthikiriria ndumiriri iria irauma mwena ucio.
It's Felix Oduor, that is the official name. The official name is Felix Oduor, the MP for Langata. We have here our governor for Kisii County, still the governor outgoing, Ongwae James, you know him very well. Of course, this guy has many hats. Aladwa, the MP for Makadara in Nairobi, but also the chairman ODM Nairobi County. Let me then go this side and introduce Adipo Kwome, the MP for Karachuonyo, both incoming and outgoing. So, and then we have Jacqueline Oduor, who is professor. She has been nominated member of National Assembly and hopefully may go to the Senate. Makali Mulu is Kitui Central MP, going to serve his third term now in Parliament. We have Lillian Gogo, MP for Rangwe, Iron Lady, going to serve her second term. We have, of course, Mamawa County, Esa Pasaris. We have Pete Orero. You know his brother is called Joshua, and his brother is more of my friend than him. So that's why I confused his name. So Peter Orero is now the MP of Baba's bedroom. Kebra. Mark Mwenje. Now this is the real Mwenje today. The Mwenje of today. Those of you who are old enough. The MP for Embakasi West. And then of course we have my woman rep beginning now. Joyce Atieno Osogo Bensoda. We call her so many other names. I want to save those ones. This is my woman rep for Homa Bay County. Of course, our senator for Nairobi County and SG for ODM, Sifuna. I don't know whether there is any elected leader I've left out. Yeah, so just brief one, then SG may conclude. Yes? Oh, MCA Karen, you are the one who has replaced my friend Mary. Eh? Okay. Congratulations, my brother. Yes. Anthony I introduced. He's called Anthony. Good. Now, I will say just a few words and SG may conclude. I know people are anxious. The media is anxious. There is anxiety across the country. We want to know who is our next president. Of course, those of us in Azimio, we know our next president is Raila Amolo Odinga. But we just want to ask for patience across the country as IEBC concludes the assignment that they have. They are the ones with the legal mandate to announce the presidential winner. So you may have your figures, statistics, etc. Showing who is leading, as we do have, but we are not allowed by law to pronounce a presidential winner. So let us wait. As we wait, we want to also plead and talk to our supporters across the country that we need to maintain peace. And this even goes to those who are our competitors. We have a country, and this is the only country we have. So all of us must strive to to maintain peace wherever we are. Election is an exercise. Once it is concluded, Kenya will continue and we will have to have leaders. And I want to just thank those who have voted for our presidential candidate and all our candidates from MCA to the presidency across the country. As you can see, the country is basically painted blue. In terms of governors, we have the majority governors. In terms of members of parliament, and I think we make mistakes. Members of parliament include Senate and National Assembly. We have the majority in the country. And so, even MCAs, I'm sure, if you look across the country, we have dominated most of the county assemblies. And so I think Kenyans spoke definitively and spoke with authority and spoke that they want to be led by Azimio government. I just want to leave it there. Our presidential candidate, who is going to be the 5th president of this country, will not address you because I don't think it's appropriate for him to address you at this time. Otherwise, thank you very much. Watu wa media, tumewashukuru. You have been very useful and helpful, especially in trying also to maintain peace in the country. You have not been issuing alarming stories across which would cause disharmony and would disrupt peace. Thank you so much and may God bless you. So let me give my SG to conclude. But here is another super MP, Tim Wanyonyi of Westlands, who is going to do his 3rd term in the National Assembly. Thank you very much.
Asante sana. Jinsi ambavyo Mheshimiwa Mbadi amesema, tulikuwa hapa kanisani kama kikosi cha Azimio kumshukuru Mungu kwa kuwa na uchaguzi wa amani na kwa kutupa ushindi mkubwa kama wanaazimio. Jinsi mnavyojua hapa katika kaunti ya Nairobi ni blue. Kaunti ya Nairobi ni blue na tunashukuru wafuasi wetu wote ambao walitupigia kura. Tunaomba tu kwamba tume ya uchaguzi ya IEBC iweze kuharakisha hii shughuli ya kuhesabu kura, na pia pale ndani katika ukumbi wa Bomas waongee na kutoa mwelekeo kwa njia ya heshima kwa hawa viongozi, kwa sababu hawa viongozi wote they have been accredited kama observers na agents wa chama. Tukitoka hapa sisi sote tunaenda kule Bomas kwa sababu ya shughuli hiyo mzima ya kuhakikisha kwamba tunapata matokeo ya uchaguzi. Sisi ni wapenda amani. Nairobi hakuja kuwa na fujo yoyote wakati wa kampeni na hakutakuwa na fujo yoyote hata baada ya matokeo kutangazwa. Kwa hivyo waheshimiwa, tunawashukuru sana. Vile tumeambiwa katika maombi kwamba lazima tusonge mbele tukiwa pamoja. So we want to assure you that as a county we are going to have a peaceful post-election period, and that there is not going to be any fracas anywhere. But we want the IEBC to expedite the process. We are confident that we have won because we have our tallies. We have already put out these tallies. I don't know why people keep calling me, yet I already put out our tallies. The tally has not changed. The president, the 5th president of the republic, is Raila Odinga. So we just be patient until Chebukati and his team complete, and then they will announce the very same results that Sifuna told you. Asanteni sana.
Asante wabunge, niombe wananchi wapendwa, sasa sote tupeane nafasi hapa, na wanahabari tunawashukuru sana. Niombe sote sasa tupeane nafasi hapa kwa shughuli inayofuata.
Na tukiuma mwena ucio wa Karen Tobe tugicokererie mwena niguo tukorwo tugikumenyithia uria maundu magiikarite guku na toria gutaragiria hau gabere ni ati muthenya wa ira muikariri gitwa wa kamiti ya ithurano na miaka IEBC ni arakorirwo akiheana mwerekera wa kugeria guteithiriria gutwarithia mihango ya utali wa kura.
Niombe maafisa wa usalama tusaidiane, nafasi ipatikane hapa nzuri.
Ni maukoro mareketie wira uyu na makanirira muhotani wa giturwa kia president na reke njokere o hau rĩngĩ ati gukinyeria riu matarite icigo cia ubunge 142 na ni kuringithania na icigo cia ubunge 290 no ningi hakire na gicigo kimwe kia ubunge kana maumirira ma kura cia kuma nja wa bururi iria ciragitarwo ni tari gicigo kimwe kia ubunge na uguo cigagioka 291 na nitugitanyite ati ndagiko yothe kuma riu hihi muikarigitwo wa IEBC wa Fula Chebukati kana makamishina yake ni magũgikorwo magĩũka kuheana maumirira ma icigo ingĩ cia ubunge niguo gũgĩthiĩ na mbere na gũkimenyithia bũrũri-inĩ ati ahũranĩri anene kana ahũranĩri a gĩturwa kĩa president marakorirwo magĩka thĩinĩ wa gĩthurano kĩu kĩrĩgĩte gũtabanio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Na reke ngorwo ngĩtarĩria hanini ũhoro wĩgiĩ gicanjama kiria kiraumite hwae na ni kuragite na gicanjama oro ringi kwa rita ria gatatu thiini wa nyumba ino ya Bomas. Gicanjama kiria kiraumanite na horo wigie mwikwaniro gatagati ka amwe aria makirugamirire guku na mwikwaniro ucio niguo uracungireirie ona Wafula Chebukati gukorwo agiathana ati ona amwe aria hihi mataragikuruhana na mihango ya utari wa kura kwa muhiano ateti makorwo mategwitikirio kuingira thiini wa nyumba ino na twarora guo umuthi gutinagikorwo kwina uingi muno wa andu thiini wa nyumba ino ya micemanio na gutuika gukiri ona amwe ateti aria magikinyetie guku gukiri na uria urakiri mubunge wa Lang'ata Nixon Koril aingi aria magikinyetie guku ni aria magikuruhanagio na mwaho wa Tanga ona gutuika riu aingi amabitha aria makiri guku ni aria marakikuruhana na njira imwe kana njira iria ingi hari mihango ya utari wa kura. Mutaratara uria urakihuthirwo ni wa gutigirira ati fomu cia 34A ni cirakiringithanio na fomu cia 34B niguo gwitigirira ati gutire na mahetia magugikorwo makiumira kana makirekwo mahetuke mari mathabu maria hihi ahuraniri a iturwa icio maragikoretwo kana magiturwa kiu maragikoretwo manyitite, koguo magagitigirira ati maumirira ma fomu iria cikiretwo rurenda-ini iria ni cia 34A ni makihanaine na fomu iria cirehetwo ni aria makirugamirire ithurano kana mararugamirire ithurano ici thiini wa icigo cia ubunge niguo gwitigirira ati riria muikariri giti aroka kumanirira ni makihanaine na matikire na gatithio orogothe na gutuika gukiri kumwe na kumwe kuragithii uguo ukonekana ta kuraumira mahetia na kwa muhiano ira ni kuragite na mahetia ma gicigo kia ubunge kia Kiambu town no ni maragicokire maragithondekwo na mahetia macio nimo maratuma gwikwo uhoro ucio wigie kuringithania mathabu na gutigirira ati gutikire na mahitia ta macio magugikorwo makihetuka. Tuguthie na mbere na kurumanira na maundu uria magugikorwo makiyumiria guku na ni tugugitigirira ati uria marahanika na riria marahanika ni magukinyira mwiroreri wa Kameme TV.
Igatho muno makiria Kimani wa Ngũnjiri ni gutumenyithia maria marathie na mbere mwena ucio koguo gukinyaniria na riu kamiti ya IEBC ni rikitie guthurima na kwanirira form 34B kuma icigo bunge igana rimwe ria 42 hari icigo bunge 290 kuongerera imwe iria ni ya diaspora. Ni gatho muno Kimani wa Ngũnjiri no marathie na mbere kwa bahema mwena ucio mari na nungari wa Kamau gutigirira ni matumenyithia maria mothe meguthie na mbere kwiyumiria thiini wa ceceni nene ya utari wa kura mwena wa Bomas. Kwa ihinda riri reke tumurike riboti ingi. Ariu Archbishop wa kanitha wa ACK Diocese ya Nyeri Bishop Anthony Muheria ni uritie a Kenya hamwe na atongoria kugia na wetereri na guthingatithia thayu riri bururi wothe wetereire na hiki nene maumirira ma githurano kia president. Ihinda-ini o riu Muheria ni uritie kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC kuhiuhia mihango ya utari wa kura niguo kunina wagagu uria urikuo guku agicokeria gatho ahuraniri a giturwa giki ni guthingatithia thayu mbere ona thutha wa githurano.
Nitoi ihinda riri ithuothe twina wagagu twetereire umithio wa githurano kia presidency. Nikio turamuria inyuothe tukona ukiririria na umiriria ihinda-ini riri. Nitoi ithuothe gutiri utai na wagagu ucio twetereire mahinda maya ni undu wa minoga, ni undu wa hihi maundu maria andu marauga, ona rimwe ni undu wa kio kiria twikirite niguo muno tugiciria uhoro wa IEBC, tugiciria uhoro wa andu othe mari thiini wa mutaratara uyu ona ithuĩ a Kenya. Koguo turoria umiriria na tukorwo twina ugima thiini wa kwamukira maumithio ma githurano giki. Turakimuria thiini wa ndumiriri ino iria ya athikavu a Kenya, tukamuria na winyihia munene twiyumiririe na tuhoe Ngai kiumia kio muthi tuheo umiriria umiriru na tumenye njira ya wamukiri kwamukira uhoro uyu. Tukiuga mwihuge ni undu wa ndeto iria iraheano cia maheni thiini wa social media, tutigatuike a gutambia na twihuge turore kana icio ni ciama. Ni turoria IEBC nao mekire kio na ona mongerere speed niguo umithio tuone manirira maya oro narua. Oho ni turoya na tukahoya ati twamukira umithio wa githurano giki kia mutongoria wa presidency twamukire na winyihia na tumenye gutiri ura ugukorwa ati niwe worira biu. Aca no nginya umwe tu aheo giti kiu na tuo niwe wacinda. Koguo ithuothe ona angikorora koragwo na murengo uyu kana uri ungi, riu ni twambirie gwaka bururi witu, tunyitane, hatiri haro, ni macindano ma no ukuheo wira ucio. Na koguo ithuothe tunyitane moko twake bururi witu, tucokere maundu maitu ma o muthenya. Na inyue mbeu njithi turamuria mutikahuthirwo na njira thuku ya kurehe haro na gacagaca. Kei tugitire thayu uria tuhetwo ni Ngai kiheo giake. Reke tukona mwihoko twi moko-ini ma Ngai na tutikareke gacagaca ingire, tondu ithuĩ nĩ tũtuĩte bũrũri witũ nĩ ũrarorwo nĩ thĩ yothe na nĩ tuonanĩtie njĩra nene ya gĩthurano kĩna waragania na gĩthurano kĩrĩa kĩroneka gĩgĩthiĩ na njĩra ya thayũ.
Na tugicoka kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi, Senator wa Nairobi Johnson Sakaja nĩ anĩrĩirwo ta gavana mũthure wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Sakaja wa kĩama kĩa UDA anĩrĩirwo ta mũhotani thutha wa kwĩgwatĩra kura 699 na 392. Rĩrĩ mũng'etheri wake Polycarp Igathe wa Jubilee mathĩire kura 573 na 516. Nake Edwin Sifuna wa kĩama kĩa ODM ni anĩrĩirwo ta mũhotani wa gĩturwa kĩa Seneta kaunti-inĩ ya Nairobi thutha wa kwĩgwatĩra kura 716 na 776 gũkũ mũng'ethanĩri wake wa hakuhĩ Margaret Wanjiru wa kĩama kĩa UDA mathĩire kura 524 na 91. Nake Esther Muthoni Passaris yũkĩtie ũhotani gũtungata ikereka rĩa kerĩ ta mũrũgamĩrĩri wa atumia Nairobi. Passaris wa ODM mathĩire kura 698 na 929. Arũmĩrĩirwo nĩ Millicent Omanga wa UDA ũrĩa wĩ mathĩire kura 586 na 246.
Party leader William Samoei Ruto, I want to thank you for believing in me. I want to thank especially Musalia Mudavadi and the entire Kenya Kwanza team, Rigathi Gachagua and Wetangula. I want to acknowledge those who've been there before me. I want to thank His Excellency Evans Kidero, who was our first governor in Nairobi. I want to thank my friend Mike Mbuvi Sonko, our second governor of Nairobi, and I acknowledge the challenges he went through, his successes and his weaknesses. I want to thank Anne Kananu, the current governor. I acknowledge it's not been easy. I have learned from them, but I want to affirm that from the day we were sworn in, all the functions of county governments under the 4th schedule, all the 14 functions shall revert to the county government.
Thank you so much. The Almighty God who has allowed us to see this day. We have had very peaceful campaigns in Nairobi and everybody agrees. I am very proud that we have been able to complete this exercise without much incident. I want to take this opportunity as well to thank all of you, the people of Nairobi, for honoring me in this particular position, and I want to assure you that you know my capacity, you know my work, my ability. I will serve you diligently every day. I will wake up to work for the people of the county of Nairobi.
I want to say thank you to all the voters in the county of Nairobi. We will work tirelessly to serve all of you. When we get into office, we don't care which party you are.
Na acio nĩo ahotani a iturwa itiganĩte thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Reke tũkorwo tũkĩhũmũka oro hanini, no nĩ tũgũcokereria na riboti makĩria nĩguo tũthiĩ na mbere gũkũmenyithia marĩa marathiĩ na mbere kũhanĩka thĩinĩ wa Kigeri kĩa mwaka wa 2022.
Titi Murano.
Huku kwenu mnasema rais wa 5 ni nani?
Mimi Raila Amolo Odinga.
Wanajulikana kwa kujiapisha. Hiyo ndio track record ambayo Wakenya wanataka.
Hari utongoria na uteti.
Wanataka wanipatie tikiti yao kugombea kiti cha urais.
Ile kutimura na igiri. Gotiagaga beri.
Ati wanataka kutupangia ati nani tutamchagua kama kiongozi wa Kenya.
Yule ni kama fisi ambaye amejivisha nguo za kondoo.
Itanagera na izwi Kameme TV o muthenya wa Jumatatu tafuraini ya Titi Murano.
I am running for president of the Republic of Kenya.
Hata kilio yake amebadilisha. Sasa fanye ngau.
This is the time.
Za imwe cia hwaini nginyanagia tha 3 cia utuku. Goko gwa Kameme TV muthegi wa ruriri.
Wadwere matoya-ine ruru ni rugano rwa Ditia mena Zoya wedo wa githagathago.
Hihi wena kiuria kana woni wigi umemerekia wa Kameme TV? Ntuma kiuria kana woni waku kuhitukira SMS ya 21182, Facebook Kameme TV Kenya, Twitter @Kameme TV Kenya, kana wandike email info@mediamax.co.ke.
Negatho muno makiria ni guthie na mbere gutushagura. Muthikafu wa kanitha wa Anglican Diocese ya Murang'a South Reverend Julius Karano ni oritie atongoria aria marathukiirwo utongoria ni muingi witikira kurutithania wira na atongoria aria kura ciao itanaigana niguo kuhimbiria thayo na gutwarithia bururi na mbere mari hamwe. Akiaria hindi ya kiungano kia atumia a Mothers Union kanitha-ini wa ACK Cathedral Keno, Muthikafu Karano augite iri ta njira imwe ya kurehe atongoria hamwe ahotani a githurano metikire kurutithania wira na aria marahotirwo. Karano oho ni ahoete atongoria kuhunjia thayo riri maumirira ma githurano kia president metereirwo gutangathwo.
Ni kugia muhotani kugia na mudura wa muhotani ni kugia na andu angi marerũgamĩtie na matina hotani. Wa mbere nako ni kumatũmĩra message handũ-inĩ hanyu na handũ-inĩ ha diocese tukwenda gũcongratulate andũ acio marahotire. Tumahoere Ngai amahe wisdom na amahe guidance nĩgetha mahote kũruta wĩra wa gũteithia na gũtungatĩra wananchi ihinda rĩrĩ rĩa mĩaka 5 Ngai akũmahe. Tuikare tũkĩmahoerera. Tuhoe aria mahana mũnga marehotete na he andũ aingĩ mũno mũnga yaragio nĩ andũ arĩa mararũgamĩte ateti. Nĩ ndĩrarũgamĩte kura iraga kũigana. Tũmahoere. Campaign nĩ itũmagĩra mbeca nyingĩ mũno na mũndũ nĩ akuaga ngoro na we watuĩka ngerekano njega nĩ ũndũ.
Na kwa ihinda rĩrĩ reke tukorwo tukihiuka mwena wa Bomas kuria munini wa muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa IEBC Juliana Cherera ararekereria ndũmĩrĩri kwa ihinda rĩrĩ.
Nyatike constituency, total registered voters 73,432. Total valid votes 55,443. Rejected ballots 139. Odinga Raila 54,894. Ruto William 458. Wahiga David 17. Wajakoya George 74. Mombasa County, Jomvu constituency, total registered voters 78,085, total valid votes 35,103, rejected ballots 433, Raila Odinga 20,863, Ruto William 13,962, Wahiga David 51, Wajakoya George 227. Bungoma County, Webuye West constituency, total registered voters 58,632, total valid votes 36,464, rejected ballots 633, Odinga Raila 10,928, Ruto William 25,057, Wahiga David 251, Wajakoya George 228. Nairobi City, Dagoretti South, total registered voters 114,930, valid votes 67,624, lot 702, Odinga Raila 26,947, Ruto William 40,120, Wahiga David 230, Wajakoya George 328. Kajiado County, Kajiado South constituency, total registered voters 71,064, total valid votes 51,238, rejected ballots 199, Odinga Raila 23,731, Ruto William 27,376, Wahiga David 47, Wajakoya George 82. Laikipia County, Laikipia East constituency, total registered voters 96,535, total valid votes 62,558, rejected ballots 462, Odinga Raila 13,335, Ruto William 48,792, Wahiga David 168, Charangan constituency, total registered voters 91,830, total valid votes 62,620, rejected ballots 434, Odinga Raila 27,314, Ruto William 35,053, Wahiga David 89, Wajakoya George 164. Mombasa County, Changamwe constituency, total registered voters 93,561, total valid votes 43,594, rejected ballots 435, Odinga Raila 24,237. Ruto William, 19,098. Wahiga David, 73. Wajakoya George, 186. Marsabit County, Laisamis constituency, total registered voters 33,446. Total valid votes 23,034. Rejected ballot 60. Odinga Raila 4,161. Ruto William 18,776. Wahiga David 35. Wajakoya George 62. Kajiado County, Kajiado North constituency, total registered voters 134,880. Total valid votes 78,352. Rejected ballot 582. Odinga Raila 35,868. Ruto William 41,723. Wahiga Maore 396. Wajakoya George 364. Turkana County, Turkana West constituency, total registered voters 42,673. Total valid votes 26,684. Rejected ballots 105. Odinga Raila 17,258. Ruto William 9,298. Wahiga David 43. Wajakoya George 85. Dagoretti North constituency, total registered voters 157,659. Total valid votes 83,204. Rejected ballots 897. Odinga Raila 56,535. Ruto William 25,764. Wahiga David 469. Wajakoya George 436. Busia County, Teso South constituency, total registered voters 71,268. Total valid votes 47,226. Total valid votes 47,026. Rejected ballots 409. Odinga Raila 40,712. Ruto William 6,071. Wahiga David 80. Wajakoya George 163. Kamkunji constituency, total registered voters 128,516. Total valid votes 61,734. Rejected ballots 1,385. Odinga Raila 35,552. Ruto William 25,830. Wahiga David 99. Wajakoya George 253. Migori County, Rongo constituency, total registered voters 59,181. Total valid votes 45,599. Rejected ballots 140. Odinga Raila 44,944. Ruto William 578. Wahiga David 20. Wajakoya George 57. Wajakoya George 57. Bungoma County, Mount Elgon constituency. Total registered voters 76,159. Total valid votes 54,603. Rejected ballots 540. Odinga Raila 5,647. Ruto William 48,659. Wahiga David 148. Wajakoya George 149. Bomet County, Bomet East constituency. Total registered voters 63,661. Total valid votes 49,901. Rejected votes 259. Odinga Raila 1,769. Ruto William 47,987. Wahiga David 38. Wajakoya George 107. Kiambu County, Limuru constituency. Total registered voters 93,019. Total valid votes 61,177. Rejected ballots 480. Odinga Raila 14,500. Ruto William 46,059. Wahiga David 300. Wajakoya George 318. Meru County, Tigania West constituency. Total registered voters 70,283. Total valid votes 45,700. Rejected ballots 422. Odinga Raila 8,824. Ruto William 36,454. Wahiga David 112. Wajakoya George 310. Turkana County, Turkana Central constituency. Total valid votes 55,997. Total valid votes 33,149. Rejected ballots 524. Odinga Raila 18,847. Ruto William 14,089. Wahiga David 82. Wajakoya George 131. Turkana County, Turkana East constituency. Total registered voters 20,000. Total valid votes 12,498. Rejected ballots 76. Odinga Raila 11,083. Ruto William 1,346. Ruto William 1,347. Wahiga David 19. Wajakoya George 49. Embu County, Mbeere South constituency. Total registered voters 77,264. Total valid votes 50,824. Rejected ballots 458. Odinga Raila 14,010. Ruto William 36,371. Wahiga David 139. Wajakoya George 304. Kericho County, Ainamoi constituency, total registered voters 85,083, total valid votes 62,646, rejected ballot 416. Odinga Raila 5,720, Ruto William 56,781, Wahiga David 49, Wajakoya George 96. Meru County, Igambe North constituency, total registered voters 77,050, total valid votes 48,985, rejected ballots 562, Odinga Raila 12,079, Ruto William 36,517, Wahiga David 111, Wajakoya George 278. Bungoma County, Sirisia constituency, total registered voters 48,717, total valid votes 29,443, rejected ballots 396, Odinga Raila 11,882, Ruto William 17,275, Wahiga David 120, Wajakoya George 166. Muranga County, Kiharu constituency, total registered voters 119,465, total valid votes 80,719, rejected ballots 433, Odinga Raila 13,114, Ruto William 66,939, Wahiga David 283, Wajakoya George 383. Lamu County, Lamu West constituency, total registered voters 59,421, total valid votes 35,367, rejected ballots 451. Odinga Raila 16,596, Ruto William 18,237, Wahiga David 138, Wajakoya George 396. Kirinyaga County, Moya constituency, total registered voters 131,788, total valid votes 88,587, rejected ballots 694, Odinga Raila 12,884, Ruto William 75,028, Wahiga David 186, Wajakoya George 489. Nairobi City County, Westlands constituency, total registered voters 160,739, total valid votes 84,145, rejected ballots 1,115, Odinga Raila 55,088, Ruto William 28,232, Wahiga David 332. Wajakoya George, 493. Bobasi constituency, total registered voters 106,060. Total valid votes 67,496. Rejected ballots 760. Odinga Raila 50,242. Ruto William 16,863. Wahiga David 116. Wajakoya George 275. Kitui County, Kitui Central Constituency, total registered voters 77,787. Total valid votes 46,316. Rejected ballots 431. Odinga Raila 29,069. Ruto William 16,820. Wahiga David 144. Wajakoya George 283. Kiambu County, Juja Constituency, total registered voters 134,638. Total valid votes 86,256. Rejected ballots 462. Odinga Raila 32,197. Ruto William 62,208. Wahiga David 353. Wajakoya George 498. Kiambu County, Gatundu North Constituency, registered voters 71,810. Total valid votes 49,394. Rejected ballots 431. Odinga Raila 8,745. Ruto William 40,310. Wahiga David 136. Wajakoya George 203. Makueni County, Kilome Constituency, total registered voters 59,178. Total valid votes 35,504. Rejected ballots 240. Odinga Raila 28,166. Ruto William 7,023. Wahiga David 82. Wajakoya George 233. Mombasa County, Kisauni Constituency, total registered voters 135,690. Total valid votes 57,643. Rejected ballots 572. Odinga Raila 35,190. Ruto William 21,877. Wahiga David 125. Wajakoya George 451. Nairobi City County, Embakasi West Constituency, Total registered voters 141,800. Total registered voters 141,800. Nairobi City County, Embakasi West constituency, total registered voters 141,878. Total valid votes 81,215. Rejected ballots 467. Odinga Raila 45,546. Ruto William 34,950. Wahiga David 290. Wajakoya George 426. Bonchari constituency in Kisii County, total registered voters 64,630. Total valid votes 48,150. Rejected 484. Odinga Raila 29,198. Ruto William 12,706. Wahiga David 81. Wajakoya George 165. Wasingishu constituency, Wasingishu County, Keses constituency. Total registered voters 77,992. Total valid vote 54,768. Rejected ballots 334. Odinga Raila 8,966. Ruto William 45,653. Wahiga David 61. Wajakoya George 88. Thank you. As we await more results, the people on the inner circle, we await for your speedy verification of the results. Thank you.
Haya mau nĩ maumĩrĩra marĩa kamĩtĩ ya IEBC ĩrathiĩ na mbere kwamũkĩra kuma kũrĩ icigo mbunge ciothe bũrũri-inĩ na marathiĩ na mbere kwamũkĩra form 34B. No tũgũthiĩ na mbere gũkũmenyithia maumĩrĩra mau o ũrĩa megũthiĩ na mbere kũmamũkĩra tũgĩthiaga na mbere. Na reke tũmũrĩke riboti ĩngĩ ĩgiĩ maumĩrĩra kaunti-inĩ ya Kiambu. Na rĩu seneta wa Kiambu Kimani wa Matangi niwe gavana mũthure wa kaunti ya Kiambu na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA wa Matangi aregwateire kura 348 na 371. Nĩtũgũkorwo tũkĩmũrĩka riboti ĩyo kahinda gatarĩ kũraihu, no kwa ihinda rĩrĩ ndĩramenyithio ũrĩa ũrahĩtahĩtanagĩra gĩturwa kĩa All President na tigiti wa kiama kia Agano nĩararekereria ndũmĩrĩri ya gwĩtĩkĩra maumĩrĩra ma gĩthurano gĩkĩ. Reke tũthikĩrĩrie mĩario yake.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, good afternoon, Kenyans and all viewers and listeners wherever you are listening to us. My name is David Mwaura Wahiga, one of the presidential candidates in Kenya's 2022 election. I am also the party leader of Agano Party. I am here with my running mate, Ruth Mucheru Mutua, and we have a very important statement to make this afternoon, which we will commence. Dear Kenyans, we wish to concede defeat in the presidential elections in the Republic of Kenya of the year 2022, whose verification is ongoing at Bomas. This we are doing after seeing what our performance has been and after deep discussions with our teams in Bomas and consulting widely. We have also with our team been following the ongoing exercise at Bomas and indicate that the figures there are and have consistently and undoubtedly been in favor of His Excellency Dr. William Samoei Ruto, the current serving Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. We have also with our team been following the activities taking place in Bomas and point out that there appears a well choreographed plan to interfere with the verification process and the results. And we call for a stop to this by all those who are trying to do that. As we concede, which we hereby do, we want to thank our families, our secretariat, our campaign team, and all those who voted and prayed for us. They did not just pray, but they voted. Also, as we concede, we wish to call on IEBC to be firm and steadfast and resolute on its task and mandate and announce the leading winner of the presidential election when that time, in their considered opinion, comes. As we concede, we also endorse the winning trend and the person of His Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, as the leading candidate, and urge IEBC to be fervent in declaring his win when it is time to do so. On our part, my running mate and I, we hereby indicate that we will collaborate with His Excellency, the Deputy President, and support him. Not just because he is winning, but also because his manifesto and his many campaign promises agree with ours. Key among those that agree with us, we agree with him on the need to ensure Kenya remains a God-fearing nation. We also agree with him on his pursuit to ensure that freedom of worship for all faiths is maintained. Also, on his promise to ensure that the church and other faiths are protected and that no religion, let alone the Christian faith, is a kasuba. Finally, and these are just a few, as we concede, some of the other things we agree with him is their stand and his stand on our Christian churches and other faiths' values, and values that are accepted by our African cultures. As the scripture says in Hebrews 11:24-25, and here we paraphrase it, there comes a time when one would rather stand with a person or persons who they share some values with. That time for us, that time for me and my running mate has come. We choose to stand with the side of His Excellency, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, as the next President of Kenya, when the IEBC so announces. Thank you all. God bless you. God bless Kenya. That is the end of our statement, which we will sign, let you have copies, and then we'll take just a few questions because our statement is very self-explanatory. Very well, we can now take just a few questions. And yes, if there are any. Yeah, we can start there, come to that lady and come to that gentleman in that order. We have faith this far in IBC and how it has conducted this process. It's been fairly transparent. It's not just about IBC.
Haya, ucio ni uria urahitahitanagira giturwa kia o president na tigiti wa kiama kia Agano Waihiga Mwaure akirekereria ndumiriri yake ya gwitikira maumirira. Reke tuhiuke kana tucoke mwena wa Bomas tuthikiririe maumirira magithie na mbere gutangathwo.
Rejected ballots 484. Odinga Raila 29,198. Ruto William 12,706. Wahiga David 81. Wajakoya George 165. Then Wasingishu County, Keses constituency. Total registered voters 77,992. Total valid votes 54,768. Rejected ballot 334. Odinga Raila 8,966. Ruto William 45,653. Wahiga David 61. Wajakoya George 88.
Haya mau ni maria marathie na mbere mwena wa Bomas kuria maumirira ma form 34B thini wa icigo bunge itiganite irangithie na mbere guthurimwo na kwanirirwo ni kamiti ya IEBC no turia gukwirite hau gabere no tuguthie na mbere gukumenyithia maria mothe megukorwo makihanika mwena ucio ririkana icaikwe kana kahinda kanini kahituku uria urahuranagira giturwa kia o president na tigiti wa kiama kia Agano Waihiga Mwaure ni akorwo agitikira maumirira na akorwo agitikira kuhotwo kihitahitano-ini kiu na ndumiriri yake akorwo agithukira uritu muria urahuranira giturwa kia president na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA William Ruto na ningi no akorwo agikumithia icajama iria ikoretwo ikionekana mweno cio wa Bomas no tuguthie na mbere kungetia maria mothe megukorwo makihanika maumirira uria marathie na mbere guthurimwo ni kamiti ya IBC kogwo uthie na mbere gucagura Kameme TV thini wa Kigeri kia mwaka wa 2022 nigetha tuthie na mbere gukumenyithia maria mothe marahanika megimainie na githurano giki thie na mbere gucagura ceceni ya Kameme TV mutauri witu na njira ya ciko auma wa jiko wa Njuguna ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.
Kameme TV, muthegi wa ruriri.
Ithuĩ ta Farmhold Ventures Limited nĩ tũracokeria aigithia aitũ othe ngatho nĩ gũtũma Open Day itũ ĩgacĩre na tũgakenerera amemba aitũ arĩa megwatĩire taitũ ciao. Oho tũgakũrehera Oasis Gardens Phase 1 ndagĩka